If you've ever wanted to own a rental cabin, have we an opportunity for you? Only minutes from Dollywood in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, is this 3-level Smoky Mountain getaway at 2005 McCarter Drive. It's known as a view for all seasons and presently under a successful rental program. 14 guests will enjoy 4 bedrooms and 3 baths with a tremendous wooded and mountain view. Framed within the expanse of a wall of glass, the open floor plan provides optimum livability with plush sofas and chairs gathered around the electric fireplace beneath a large, widescreen high-def TV. The dining table seats up to 6, with additional seating at the kitchen counter. It's fully equipped with full-size electric range, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. And just off from the kitchen is the first of your 4 bedrooms with adjoining bath. Each bedroom is designed for privacy and guest comfort. On the main, the bottom level where you'll find these 2 beds as well, and the overhead loft where you'll find this stylish king bed. Of course, you can customize and plus this cabin to meet any guest need. We've also built in relaxation and a view for all seasons with a family-sized hot tub on the main deck, looking out on the year-round view. This has the potential to bring in excellent revenue to any cabin owner. A view for all seasons at 2005 McCarter Drive is only a few minutes away from world-famous Dollywood, and it's a short drive from the action-packed Pigeon Forge Parkway. Now's the time to schedule your private tour. Call Tony Thomas of Weichert Realtors Tiger Real Estate direct at 865-548-0661.